Question. DS. What is the number of elements in set A union B? Condition 1. The number of elements in set A is 5. Condition 2. The number of elements in set B is 5. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS. 4 variables and 1 equation. Question. Condition 1. 1 equation. Condition 2. 1 equation. DS question with 4 variables and 1 equation. Let's look at a DS question with an original condition that contains 4 variables and 1 equation. Now, 4 variables and 1 equation would generally require 3 more equations for us to be able to solve for the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation resulting in a total of 3 equations, 1 each from condition 1 and condition 2, and 1 from the original condition. However, since we need 3 more equations to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the unequal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer E. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. Let the number of elements in set A be mod of A, and the number of elements in set B be mod of B. So mod of A union B equals mod of A plus mod of B minus mod of A intersection B. We have to find the number of elements in set A union B, which is equal to mod A union B. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have 4 variables: mod A, mod B, mod A intersection B, and mod A union B, and 1 equation. Mod A union B equals mod A plus mod B minus mod A intersection B. To match the number of variables and the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Don't feel anxious. Trust the method, which has been proven over and over again during the last 19 years. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that mod A equals 5, and condition 2 tells us that mod B equals 5. But we still cannot find the unique value of mod A union B, since we cannot determine the value of mod A intersection B, which means that the number of elements in set A intersection B. So conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient. It is amazing that we can get the correct answer without all the calculations. The answer is E if you need more than 3 equations from condition 1 and 2. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. The variable approach is so easy that we can solve set questions using this method, so E is the correct answer. When there are more than 3 variables in the question, it is most likely that E would be the answer. Therefore, always check both conditions together to save time. Answer: E.